Did you know you're not entirely human? I'm serious. If we were to count every single cell in and on your body, we'd find something astonishing. For a long time, scientists believed that bacterial cells outnumbered our human cells by a ratio of 10 to 1. Imagine that. For every one of your cells, there were 10 little bacterial passengers along for the ride. Now, recent research has updated this number. The current estimate is closer to a 1-to-1 ratio. So, for every human cell, there's about one bacterial cell. That means you are roughly 50% human and 50% bacteria. Think about it. Half of what you consider you is actually a massive, thriving community of microorganisms. This incredible ecosystem is called the human microbiome. So, where are all these tiny critters living? Everywhere. They're on your skin, in your nose, and especially in your gut. Your large intestine is like a bustling metropolis for bacteria. But don't worry, this isn't a bad thing. In fact, it's essential for your survival. These microbes are not invaders, they're our partners. We've evolved together for millions of years in a beautiful symbiotic relationship. What do they do for us? So much. The bacteria in your gut, for example, are like tiny chefs. They help break down food that your body can't digest on its own, like certain fibers. When they do this, they produce vital nutrients for us, like vitamin K, which is crucial for blood clotting, and several B vitamins that give us energy. Without them, we'd miss out on a lot of the goodness from our food. They also play a massive role in our immune system. Your gut microbiome acts as a gatekeeper. It trains your immune cells to tell the difference between friendly bacteria and harmful pathogens. A healthy, diverse microbiome forms a protective barrier, preventing dangerous germs from taking hold and making you sick. It's like having a personal army inside you, ready to defend you 24/7. But the influence of these microbes goes even further, reaching all the way to your brain. Have you ever heard of the gut-brain axis? It's a real thing. It's a complex communication network connecting your gut and your brain. The bacteria in your gut can produce neurotransmitters, the same chemicals your brain uses to regulate mood, like serotonin and dopamine. That's right, the bacteria in your belly can influence how you feel, your stress levels, and even your mental clarity. It's why a healthy gut is so often linked to a healthy mind. So, how can we take care of our microbial friends? It's simpler than you might think. It all comes down to diet. Your microbiome loves fiber. Foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are superfoods for your gut bacteria. They feast on the fiber and thrive. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are also fantastic because they contain live, beneficial bacteria called probiotics. Adding these to your diet is like sending reinforcements to your gut army. On the other hand, a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can harm your microbiome. It can reduce its diversity, and a less diverse microbiome is less resilient and can't perform its jobs as well. This has been linked to a whole range of health issues. So, the next time you look in the mirror, remember you're not just looking at one individual. You're looking at a superorganism, a walking, talking ecosystem. You are a community. And by taking care of the trillions of tiny partners living with you, you are taking care of yourself. It's a powerful reminder that we are all interconnected, right down to the microscopic level. What you eat doesn't just feed you, it feeds the half of you that isn't even human. Thanks for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I do, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the amazing world of science. See you next time.